Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Ring Doorbell camera using an iPhone. As you can see, I have the app, the Ring app. And then you need to reset your camera to see this lighting spinning. Or the first time that you turn on the camera, you're gonna see the light spinning here. So basically I have this installed. It's a peephole camera, but works with any Ring Doorbell camera as well. Basically here, I need to log into my account. So you just download the Ring app and you log into your account, or you create a new account if you don't have one. In this case, I already have one, so I'm going to sign in. I need to enter the username and password. Let me just do that. There we go. There's the email and the password that just hits here, sign in. And I'm gonna receive a verification code. So I enter here and I tap verify code. And there we go. Now I'm logged into my camera, right? To my app, I mean, and then I need to enter here a new device, so set up a new device. So you just click here on the top and set up a new device. Select here doorbell. And now it's time to scan the QR code or the barcode that's here. You can find the QR code or barcode in the camera or in the box. Okay, so I'm ready to scan the QR code. And now here I have a barcode instead. So I select here other options. And the device has a barcode. All right, so let me just remove the cover and scan it. There we go. And now peephole was detected, and then I need to select the address that I want the camera. Hit continue, name the camera like front doorbell. I've removed the film in front of the camera, it's already installed. Continue. And now I have my password for my Wi-Fi, so I need to enter here that I have the password. And I'm near the device. And light should be spinning white, okay? Which is not right now because I already have this camera installed, so I need to reset it. Here is the reset button. Depending on the model, you just need to remove the cover. Sometimes it's just on the top of the camera or down here in the camera. So in my case, it's just right here. I just hold here and it's going to reset the camera. Okay, now it's in setup mode. See here, that's spinning. Pretty good. Let me just come back here, close the door. And now I have here the light spinning white. That's okay. I just click here and hit got it. Join the click join here to ring the Wi-Fi network. There we go. Now I need to select my network here. I already have the information saved on my phone, so I'm going to use the same network. Enter the password. So if you don't know yours, you need to find out. So just hit here continue and wait for the Ring Doorbell to connect. There we go, success. I hit here continue, continue again, skip this steps here. You can optimize the motion. I'm just gonna skip for now. And I'm done, okay? And there we go. So the camera is basically working. Oh, there's an update for the camera, so I just need to wait like for 15 minutes and I'm good to go, okay? So those are the steps, pretty simple. Of course, you just also need to set up the motion detection and anything that you want here, and also the Ring Protect plan if you want to record into the cloud, right? Because right now you can just view live and you cannot record if you don't have a plan. In this case, you're gonna get a free plan. And later, if you want to continue to recording to the cloud, you can just pay for the plan, right? So basically it's working right now. I just need to wait for the update and I'm good to go. So that's the way you can set up your Ring Doorbell camera or your Ring Peephole camera using an iPhone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.